I'm gonna show you how to unlock your phone. This will work for any Samsung Galaxy phone out there. So first, go ahead and grab your phone, and we're gonna get the IMEI number of the phone. So we're gonna dial *#06#. And as you will see, the 15-digit IMEI number will appear in your screen. So this is very, very important, guys. We're gonna use this number to generate the unlock code to unlock this phone, okay? So keep it somewhere close. Now we're gonna switch to a computer. So let's open the email, and you will see that it says short instructions on how to enter this unlock code. It says that the code is ready, but the most important part is the actual unlock code. So this right here is what we're gonna use to unlock this phone. Now keep in mind that this exact same code will not work for your phone because it only works for one specific phone based on your IMEI number. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how to enter this unlock code. It's super simple. So I'm gonna switch cameras back to the phone. We'll see the screen requesting the network unlock code. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this unlock code here. Make sure it is 100% correct. And then you're gonna hit where it says unlock. Perfect, SIM network unlocked successful. That means that the code was accepted and now we have a fully factory unlocked phone. Now your phone is gonna restart, it's gonna take a few seconds. So once your phone is on, you should get full signal of your new carrier. Alright guys, so that's how you unlock a phone. I hope this video helped you unlock your phone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer all of your questions. I always read your comments. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.
Ủa cái sao em có hết rồi nè. Sao em? Sao em lại là tôi nhận cái đó gọi.
Em gọi rồi nhưng mà không có